In this video, I'm going to show you how I build a professional football tracking app using Base44. To start, I'll type my prompt into the builder, describing a premium match scores application with a dark grass green theme, live match cards, and a league standings table. Once I hit send, the AI begins architecting the app, outlining the core features like live score updates and a sleek glass morphism design. I can see the system working in the background as it automatically generates the necessary pages and components, including the hero header, match cards, and the standings table. Now that the generation is complete, the results are impressive. The app, titled Pitch Pulse, features a beautiful dark interface with vibrant green accents that make the live scores and team logos pop. It includes functional tabs to filter between live, finished, and upcoming matches, and a detailed interactive Premier League standings table at the bottom. To wrap things up, I'll click Publish, set the visibility to public, and my new football app is live and ready to share with a custom URL. Let's open it up to see the final, responsive design in action. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.